Hey, psst. Hey, man. Come over here, man.
What you got?
Hi, it's Vince.
The king.
You'll be saying wow every time you use the
Plastic knife, all right? Bendy, bendy. Look at this. Stop having a boring knife. Stop having a boring life. What you got to do is you got to have one of these, okay? One flip, you're in business. Okay, check this out. One stab, flesh wound, okay? Two stabs, dead, okay?
this towel. It's like a chamois. It's
A spoon.
a sponge. A regular towel doesn't work wet. This works wet or dry. This
In Candy Cave.
the car, the boat.
The king.
ShamWow holds 12 times its weight in liquid. Look at this. It just does the work. Why do you want to work twice as hard? Doesn't drip. Doesn't make a mess. Bring it out. You wash it in the
Toasted!
Made in Germany. You know the Germans always make good stuff. Here's some cola. Wine, coffee, cola, pet stains. Not only is the damage going to be on top, there's your mildew. That is going to smell. Look at this. Put on the spill. Turn it over. Without even putting any pressure, 50% of the cola right there. You following me, camera guy? The other 50%, the
Now buy fast, because you know I can't do this all day. I just killed 2 guys, and I'm going to get the electric chair.
Hello. I like rusty spoons.